we have an iPhone 11 Pro. Yeah. They're giving it in to me saying it doesn't turn on, and they want to see if I can fix it. Just the screen, just so they can get their data back. Let's give it a go. Alright, so first thing we could do is to just plug the charger in and see if that does anything. So let's get the cable in here, which is our battery tester. And what we need now is an iPhone cable, so let me grab that. What we're going to do is to plug the iPhone cable in here and plug the other half into the phone. Alright, that's pretty good. Let's begin power. So I think the screen's... oh, we got us power on the screen too. That's strange. Okay, I guess that's good enough for us now. What we're going to do is just open up the phone and go from there, I guess. Alright, let's unplug it. It's holding the charge as well, that's pretty good. Okay. Let's hit the phone with the unscrew. There you go. I think it's already got an aftermarket display, but I don't know. Let's chuck that on. Alright, so what we need to do now is to heat up the phone. Alright, let's heat up the phone. There you go. We can make our way down. This is also already got a replacement LCD display in here, which isn't great, but it's not too bad, I guess. There you go. Looks pretty clean in there, which is pretty good to see, I guess. Get our tri-one screwdriver. There you go. Disconnect the screen and the Face ID. Earpiece speaker. Move the phone to the side. Come back to that later. Alright, let's start by removing the earpiece speaker, which is missing all the screws apart from one. And this entire thing just comes off. There you go. Place that to the side. Move this out the way. I'm gonna use an in-cell screen as they want the cheapest option, as they only need it for data transfer. Let's open this up. doesn't come with the thing. It should have came with a water resistant seal, which it didn't. Just not ideal. We'll see now what we can do. Okay, this is our screen, Intel screen. I guess we can just place this entire thing with it. Let's put on the camera bracket, the actual thing. I'm going to use some 3 new screws for this. There we go, we've got 3 screws. Let's try that again. There you go, we've got 3 screws. Let's try this again. Red. Now what we're going to do is go back to the phone and clean up all the old residue of the thing. Adhesive. Alright, give the rest of the phone a quick clean. It doesn't have to be perfect as it's only used for data recovery, but I'm going to do the best I can on this. There you go. Yeah, that seems to fit. Alright, we're going to use an iPhone XS one. It's not a perfect fit, so I think we will have to create some modifications to it, but give it a go now. What we're going to do is cut it right in the middle so it would fit on the sides first. So just give it a cut right about there. This will help it fit right in the middle. There you go. Do the same right here. There you go. I know it hasn't stuck down yet. We'll make it stick down right after we get the thing, because obviously it's hitting on the camera right there and peeling up. make sure this is lined up. There you go. Cool. Now we just need to get the screen, plug him in. Close her up a bit so it's on camera view. There you go. Plug this in. Plug the display in. Plug that part of the display in. Before we close it up, just make sure it does power on. Get our battery tester again. Place it there. Plug it into the phone. Yep, we get a screen this time up, so it should be good enough for us for now. Alright, let's put in all the screws and close the phone down. Grab that one. There you go. Just pop these clips in. Cool. Get this one. Tighten it up. Tighten this one up. Plug him in. Get the battery tester again. there, it's all good. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Peace. See you in the next one.